Now I am selecting party name here, press tab, payment mode. There are two payment mode here. One is immediate payment and next is credit bill. For a immediate payment, 3% discount will be allowed. For a credit bill, 21 days credit days can be given. So now I am selecting immediate payment. So now if I try to enter the quantity, it will show error, please select product name. So without product name we cannot enter the quantity here. So now I am selecting product name 1. So when I enter the quantity, then it will show the invoice value in wordings. See, so now it is blank. If I enter the 1, the invoice value will be showing in wordings 27 only. So now I am selecting next product, one quantity, 2 quantity and 10 quantity. So now if I select this credit bill, discount will be 0. So I'll select immediate. Here total value is 1785, discount value is 53.55, taxable value is 1731.45, CGST 142.61, 142.61 is SGST, round up 32, 0.32, 2017 rupees of this invoice. So here 3 buttons are given here, clear, new and PDF. Now when I press the PDF, the invoice will save in PDF format here. So you can take the printout from here. Otherwise you can take printout directly here. Now I am pressing clear and new. If I press clear, data will be erased. Now I am pressing clear here. See, so when I press the clear button, data got erased. If I press new, the invoice number will increase. See, now you can start entering next invoice. Select immediate payment and select, and here you can $10, 150 is product rate and into 10,500 plus GST 1,770. Again you can clear the data, click and new. In my next video I am going to explain you how formula will work behind this template. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and please support and subscribe. Thank you.